Jai Sri Mataji.
Hello.
On this most auspicious occasion of the 70th birthday of Sri Mataji, children of International Sahaja Public School, Dharamsala, and also Delhi children have the great privilege of presenting the dance ballet Devi Mahatmyam as an offering of love and devotion to Sri Mataji. The program begins with offering pranams and worship to that Devi who is residing in all beings as the universal mother. The first theme depicts the story of creation. Adi Shakti, the supreme creatrix, is praised. In times immemorial, before the very beginning of time, there was not this creation. There was no sun, there was no moon, there was no star, earth or the sky. There was only the great void, the infinite being pervading in all directions. Mahadeva, the creator, and the Shakti were both in a state of Yoga Nidra, yogic slumber. Then on the great night of Mahashivratri, Lord Shiva woke up from his yogic slumber. From his eyes emanated powerful vibrations of divine love. Enveloped in this great ocean of love, he felt a divine urge to start the work of creation. The one wanted to become the many. Shiva becomes Ardhanarishwara and dances with great joy. He separates Shakti from him and desires her to create the whole universe and its beings, filling it up with the supreme beauty of divine love. The Devi becomes the Trigunatmika by assuming the forms of Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati and Mahakali to start the work of creation. Adi Shakti in all the three aspects is praised. In the very beginning, Adi Shakti created Nada, Bindu, Kala and the supreme sound of Omkar. Then she created the five elements of earth, water, fire, air and ether. From the combination of these elements sprang forth the seed of life. Sri Adi Shakti then created from her own being Nirmal Ganesha, whose divine fragrance of innocence permeated the entire creation. Thus started the work of creation. First came the waterborne creatures like fish, and then the reptiles like serpent and tortoise. They were followed by the ones that fly in the air like birds, and then appeared the mammals, elephant, deer. After this came the monkey, and last of all man and woman. The apex of Devi's creation, man and woman, was made in her own image. She placed the Daivi Shakti, the Kundalini Shakti, at the base of the Sushumna Nadi. She wanted man to realize his true divine nature and enjoy the eternal blessings of the kingdom of God. Man got entangled in the ephemeral attractions of Maya and became a victim to lust, greed, anger and selfishness. The demon in man overpowered the divine in him. In days of yore, Mahishasur, the king of Asuras, completely vanquished the Devas, threw them out of heaven and became the master of the three worlds. The dejected Devas, led by Brahma, approached Shiva and Vishnu and prayed for their divine help to save them from destruction. Hearing their pukar, Shiva and Vishnu became intensely angry, and a great powerful divine light emanated from their being. And the beings of all the Devas, which assumed the form of Ma Ambika. Shiva, Vishnu and other gods gave Ambika weapons of exceeding power Shiva gave the Pinaka, Vishnu the discus, Indra gave thunderbolt, Agni the spear, Maruta gave the bow and arrow, and Kali provided the sword and the shield and so on. A fierce, earth-shaking fight ensued between Mahishasura and Devi Ambika. Mahishasura assumed many demonic forms to fight the Devi, but ultimately the Devi choked and speared him to death. The Devas expressed their joy and gratitude and praise of Devi of Ambika. In days of yore again, the Rakshasas led by the most valorous Shumba and Nishumba completely overpower the Devas and deprive them of all their kingdom and wealth. The Devas pray to the Devi for help and protection. The Devi takes many forms as Durga, as Ambika, Chandika and Kali to destroy all the Asuras. The scene depicts the slaying of Raktabija and Shumba Nishumba to the accompaniment of hymns praising the Devi as Durga and Kali. The program ends with worshipful pranams to Sri Mataji, the Adishakti, who has taken the present form to vanquish all Asuras and Asuravittis and also give moksha and kshema and all blessings to all her children. Thank you.
Namastasयै Namastasयै Namo Namaha Namastasयै 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 Namo Namaha Namastasयै 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 Namo Namaha
यही शून्य था।
नहीं थे सूरज चांद सितारे, ना धरती आकाश, नहीं था, नहीं था, नहीं था।
सृष्टि करता महादेव थे अपने ही योग निद्रा में।
सुप्त थे शिव शक्ति भी, सृष्टि का कोई चिन्ह नहीं था, नहीं था, नहीं था।
आई फिर वो महाराती, आई फिर वो महाराती, जागृत हुए महादेव, जागृत हुए
नेत्र खुले और छलक उठा, नेत्र खुले और छलक उठा, दो नैनों से अद्भुत प्यार, दो नैनों से अद्भुत
प्रेम का सागर उमड़ पड़ा, प्रेम का सागर उमड़ पड़ा, इच्छा हुई रचने को संसार, इच्छा हुई रचने को संसार।
शक्ति शिव से अलग हुई,
शिव बोले फिर शक्ति से, सुंदर सृष्टि रचना करके, सुंदर सृष्टि रचना करके, प्रेम का उसमें रंग भरो, प्रेम का उसमें रंग भरो, रंग भरो, रंग
शङ्कर प्रवृत्तिभिः देवै सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा ज्वालामुखी
जयंती मंगला काली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवा धात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमोस्तुते
नमोस्तुते नमोस्तुते
दे दे तुम दे 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 ता ना 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 दे ना आ दे 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 तुम दे 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 ता ना 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 दे ना आ दे 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 तुम दे 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 ता ना 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 दे ना आ दे 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 तुम दे 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 ता ना 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 दे ना नाद दे नाद दे नाद दे
सर्वश्रेष्ठ किया मानव को
दैवी शक्ति कुंडलिनी को प्रतिष्ठित किया
पद सा भूल गया मानव अपने उस शक्ति असुर रक्त बीज शुंभ निशुंभ असुरगण 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 हुआ अंत का पहला अत्याचार
विनती सुनिए भगवती प्रकट हुई माँ भगवती प्रकट हुई माँ भगवती किया रण सज्जित उन्हें देवों ने किया रण सज्जित उन्हें देवों ने लाकवज्र शूल शंख चक्र चाप से लाकवज्र शूल शंख चक्र चाप से takita takajam.
Takita takita takajam.
Dindimi dindimi dindimi. Takita takita takajam. Takita takita taka takita takita taka takita takita takajam. Harigiri nandini nandita medini vishwa vinodini nandanute. Girivara vindya shirodini vasini vishnu vilasini vishwanute. Bhagavati Meshiti Kanta Kutumbini Bhuri Kutumbini Bhuri Kute. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura Mardini Ramya Kabardini Shailasute. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura Mardini Ramya Kabardini Shailasute. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura Mardini. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura Mardini. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura Mardini. Ramya Kabardini Shailasute. Ramya Kabardini Shailasute.
Dindimi
Dindimi dindimi takita takita takajam. Dindimi 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 takita takita takajam. Dindimi 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 takita takita takajam. Takita takita taka takita takita taka takita takita takajam. Aishata khanda vikhndita runda vitundita shunda gajadipate. Vipuraja khanda vidarana chanda parakrama chanda gajadipate. Nija bhuja danda nipatita chanda vipatita munda matadipate. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura Mardini Ramya Kabardini Shailasute. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura Mardini Ramya Kabardini Shailasute. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura Mardini.
Jaya Jaya He Ratabita Vinachini.
Jaya Jaya He Ratabita Vinachini. Ramya Kabardini Shailasute.
Ramya Kabardini Shailasute. Ramya Kabardini Shailasute. Dindimi dindimi dindimi
Takita takita takajam. Dindimi 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 takita takita takajam. Dindimi 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 takita takita takajam. Takita takita taka takita takita taka takita takita takajam. Suravara varshini durdhara darshini durmukha marshini harsharate. Tribhuvana bhoshini chandara doshini puri samojini gosharate. Tanujani roshini siti sudanoshini sundhu susarina sindhu sute. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura Mardini Ramya Kabardini Shailasute. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura Mardini Ramya Kabardini Shailasute. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura Mardini. Jaya Jaya He
Ratabita Vinachini.
Jaya Jaya He
Ratabita Vinachini.
Ramya Kabardini Shailasute. Ramya Kabardini Shailasute. Ramya Kabardini Shailasute. काम से मोहित शुंभ निशुंभ ने किया आक्रमण देवी पर. Dindimi 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 takita takita takajam. Dindimi 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 takita takita takajam. Dindimi 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 takita takita takajam. Takita takita taka takita takita taka takita takita takajam. Jaya Jaya Japya Jaya Jaya Shabda Parastuti Tatpara Vishwanute. Jana Jana Jindita Jindruta Nupura Jindita Mohita Bhuta Pate. Natina Natata Natina Tanayaka Natika Natya Yudhani Hare. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura Mardini Ramya Kabardini Shailasute. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura Mardini Ramya Kabardini Shailasute. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura सुमति शुभवर्धिनी रम्यकपादिनी शैलसुते रम्यकपादिनी शैलसुते
नमो देव्यै महादेव्यै शिवायै सततं नमः नमः प्रकृत्यै वरदायै नियता प्रणता स्वता रुद्रायै नमः नित्यायै गौर्यै दात्रै नमो नमः ज्योत्स्नायै चेतुरूपिणी सुखायै सततं नमः देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता माता निर्मला माता निर्मला माता निर्मला नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो निर्मलमाता देवी करुणामयी नमस्तस्यै 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 मङ्गलं माता निर्मलायै मङ्गलं सहजयोगदायिन्यै मङ्गलं विश्वनिर्मलगङ्गायै मङ्गलं मङ्गलं माता निर्मला देवी मङ्गलं सहजयोगदायिन्यै मङ्गलं मङ्गलं
On behalf of all of us, I would like to thank Mrs. Venugopalan who directed this ballet and Mr. Venugopalan who helped us with it. The costumes for the show were a present from Sri Mataji. She herself selected all the dresses and we thank her for all the dresses. And we thank all of you for your being here.
I was more enriched. I was the person who was really enriched. Let me introduce them to you, please. The most revered dance teacher, Durga. Little Celeste who came, who took 2 roles. Beautifully she did. Yuan, who, the little one who was always willing to do everything, whatever we asked for. He was. Anant Anslo, Ganesh, and Shubhangi, Hiti Taluja, Vaikunta, who really stole your hearts in spite of being Shumba Nishumba. Geetanjali, storyteller. The fish, little Andrew. He always cried, so he was very fit for being a fish, you know. He was away from his mother. The great Mahadevi, the prima donna. Devadatt, the Rakta Bija, twice he came as Rakta Bija. Annapurna, another fish, little fish, girl fish. And little Anthony. Leela, who came as the deer. He represented India, Michael, the peacock. Give him a good hand. The one and only Martin, the Mahishasur. Annabelle, who came as the serpent. She is the Adi Shakti, Monica. She's Babita, who came as the Kali, the fierce one. And Shiva also. Virangana, who came as one of the flower girls. Pragya, a Saraswati and flower girl both. Sukanya, Mahalakshmi. And the little monkey. Vinay Patankar.
I think it will be appropriate if we stand and give them a standing ovation.
And last of all, I would like to thank Sri Mataji, my most humble and most heartfelt thanks to her, that having brought me into this family, gave all these children, she gave me the opportunity to work with them. It's because of her I have done this. My most humble, heartfelt thanks. I fall at her feet in Shashtanga Pranam.
Thank you, Mrs. Venugopalan. May your creativity increase and may we see many more beautiful dances in the future. Jai Shri Mataji.